welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on my first solo travel trip and me moving to another location. We had to leave our old spot because of a really bad neighbor situation. Oh, damn. That's a walk-in closet. That is a big ass closet. They really use as a room. For real? Oh. Wow. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. One thing I will say about this trip was that it was super special to me. I had the best time. There were so many different signs that kept speaking to me this whole trip, and it felt so spiritual, and it was just refreshing. It cleared my mind of everything that I was going through.
We'll be adjusting the main cabin late for departure if you need it at the reading.
I don't like that kind of weird. Right?
It was mixed. I got all the classes I wanted. Prime locker location. Ben Gross is still a dick.
Are we allowed to say dick now? No one can say dick in this house. Why'd you let that Ben Gross roll you up so much? He's like 5'2".
Damn, Mom, that was savage. Up top.
Okay, I do not like high-fiving. It's violent. Can we please not do that again?
Hey sister, it's really nice to meet ya. I just met this life and that was just my time. I'm waiting. This was fucking free. Like, this looks like onion rings, but whatever, right?
What is that? I wasn't there long until I had